Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I made this really beautiful perfume table clock using items that were mostly from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For this project, I used some of the Dollar Tree Tower Game wood pieces, some of their Mosaic stickers, some diamond wrap, as well as some tacky glue, some strong adhesive, my glue gun, and glue sticks. And because you can't get a clock from the Dollar Tree, this clock movement kit that I purchased from Michael's for about $4 with my 50% off coupon. I'll leave a complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was use my tacky glue to attach my wooden pieces and build my clock. I found it easier to pour the tacky glue into a container and then use a cosmetic sponge that I also purchased from Dollar Tree to apply the tacky glue and build my pieces. I glued together 15 of the wood pieces, and then I added an additional 4 rows to make 5 rows of 15 for the front and back of my table clock. Here's what those two pieces look like. Of course, I didn't add the center to the front of my clock so that I can add my clock mechanism later. I continued that same process to make my additional pieces. For the top, I added 5 rows of 4, and for the sides, 1 row of the 15 pieces. I also used 16 pieces to make my perfume top. This is 2 layers of 8. I allowed this to dry for about 20 minutes, and then I used my tacky glue and strong adhesive to add the small mirrors to all of my pieces. I'll mention that once my pieces were dry, I flipped them over and added the mirrors to the opposite side since that was a much smoother surface. These mirror pieces are self-adhesive, but I wasn't sure how well they would adhere to the wooden surface, so I decided to add the tacky glue and the strong adhesive to ensure the mirror stayed in place over time. Next, I used this jot pen that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree to paint the edges of the top 2 pieces of my wall clock. I did this because the mirrors do not measure up exactly to these wood pieces, and the paint will ensure that I can't see the wood color along the sides of my mirror pieces. Also, to help with some of the spacing, I added 1 row of the diamond wrap to my perfume bottle top as well. Here's what the perfume top looked like. I thought it was pretty, but I wanted it to be a bit taller, so I added 2 additional wood pieces to my top, and I added the mirror around those pieces as well. I then added the small mirrors to the front and back of my table clock. Before I added the mirrors to my front piece, I added the clock mechanism. This is a pretty simple process. I simply remove the nuts and the washers from my clock mechanism. I won't need them for this project. And then I use a combination of the strong adhesive and the hot glue to attach the clock mechanism to the back of my wall clock front piece, if that makes sense. And here's what all of my pieces look like. I had the front and back of my wall clock, my 2 sides, and the 2 top pieces as well. It was then time to put all of my pieces together. I used that same combination of strong adhesive and hot glue to attach the top of my wall clock. Here is where I had my aha moment that I probably should have built my clock first before adding the mirror pieces, because once I added this piece, I realized that I had a gap in the back that I had to fix. To fix this, I removed the mirrors and added a very thin piece of foam board to the back of my wall clock. I then re-added my mirrors to close the gap. My final steps were to add my perfume top, add my clock hands to the front of my table clock, clean my mirrors, and here was my finished look. While my table clock did not turn out perfect, I was very pleased with it, and I think it turned out beautiful. I really like how the mirrors shine. This is a super glam and pretty piece that you can put basically anywhere. And the great thing about mirror is that wherever you place it, it will take on its surroundings and fit in any type of decor. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.